Learn English to Gujarati, short, fast, and slow with
ટૂંકું
and.
ઝડપી.
Welcome to the tiny turbo lesson. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati through a silly little story. Keep listening, repeat out loud, and do not worry if your tongue needs a warm-up lap. Today we play with 8 useful ideas: short, shorter, shortest, fast, faster, fastest, slow, and slower. In Gujarati, you will meet
ટૂંકું
for short, also used for shorter in simple learning context as
ટૂંકું સૌથી ટૂંકો.
for shortest,
ઝડપી
for fast,
વધુ ઝડપી.
for faster,
સૌથી ઝડપી.
for fastest,
ધીમે
for slow, and
ધીમું.
for slower. Yes, this lesson is basically a race between a cheetah, a turtle, and a very confused pencil. A very short meeting. Let us begin with short things, because honestly, long meetings are suspicious. You will hear the key words again and again. The meeting was short. In Gujarati, the meeting was
ટૂંકી.
think of something.
ટૂંકું
A tiny note, a tiny rope, or a giraffe wearing a hilariously tiny scarf. Please keep your answer short. You can remember, short is.
ટૂંકું
If your answer is one word, your teacher may smile. If your answer is a 2-hour life story, maybe not. Now comparison, shorter. In this lesson, remember shorter as
ટૂંકું.
example. This rope is shorter. The long rope saw the shorter rope and said, "Wow, did you skip breakfast?" And the champion of tiny things, shortest is
સૌથી ટૂંકો.
example. This route is the shortest. The shortest speech in history was probably, "Thanks." Speed mode on. Now we jump from tiny to speedy. Try saying the Gujarati words with energy, like you just drank 3 cups of tea. Fast in Gujarati is
ઝડપી.
a fast train is
ઝડપી.
a fast runner is
ઝડપી.
a fast answer is also
ઝડપી.
faster is
વધુ ઝડપી.
literally more fast. This car is
વધુ ઝડપી.
she can run.
વધુ ઝડપી.
Now, fastest is
સૌથી ઝડપી.
the cheetah heard this word and immediately applied for a trophy. This runner is
સૌથી ઝડપી.
quick chain for your memory.
ઝડપી.
Means fast.
વધુ ઝડપી.
Means faster, and
સૌથી ઝડપી.
means fastest. Nice. Your brain just did cardio. Meanwhile, the turtle has notes. Not everything has to zoom. Slow words are useful too, especially when life becomes slippery, dramatic, or full of stairs. Slow in this learning set is
ધીમે.
please walk slow.
ધીમે.
Kalo. The turtle fully approves. If someone speaks slow so everyone understands, you can remember.
ધીમે.
It feels calm, gentle, and safe. Slower is
ધીમું.
please drive slower.
ધીમું.
Especially if the road is wet, the turtle is giving traffic advice, and the giraffe is crossing the street in fashionable panic. Fast versus slow.
ઝડપી.
Versus.
ધીમે.
Faster versus slower.
વધુ ઝડપી.
Versus.
ધીમું.
Balance in the universe restored. Mini dialogue at the weird animal race. Now you get a funny scene. Listen first, then repeat your favorite lines. Announcer. Welcome to the race. The rabbit is.
ઝડપી.
The turtle is.
ધીમે.
And the giraffe's scarf is.
ટૂંકું.
Rabbit. Today I will be.
સૌથી ઝડપી.
Turtle. Maybe. But please drive, walk, breathe, and think.
ધીમે.
Giraffe. I wanted a long scarf, but this one is.
ટૂંકું.
Actually, it is even.
ટૂંકું.
Then yesterday. Tragic. Announcer. Which path will you take? Rabbit. The
સૌથી ટૂંકો.
route, obviously. Turtle. I do not need the fastest route. I just need you to go.
ધીમું.
Near the puddle. Snail from the audience. Excuse me, after coffee I am.
વધુ ઝડપી.
Nobody believes the snail. Repeat after me. This is your speaking drill. Repeat each Gujarati word after a short pause. Short.
ટૂંકું,
Shorter.
ટૂંકું,
Shortest.
સૌથી ટૂંકો,
Fast.
ઝડપી,
Faster.
વધુ ઝડપી,
Fastest.
સૌથી ઝડપી,
Slow.
ધીમે,
Slower.
ધીમું,
Quick quiz, not a long tragedy. Time for a tiny quiz. Answer out loud before I reveal it. What is the Gujarati word for short?
ટૂંકું,
What is the Gujarati word for shortest?
સૌથી ટૂંકો,
What is the Gujarati word for fast?
ઝડપી,
What is the Gujarati word for faster?
વધુ ઝડપી,
What is the Gujarati word for fastest?
સૌથી ઝડપી,
What is the Gujarati word for slow?
ધીમે,
What is the Gujarati word for slower?
ધીમું.
Bonus question. If a speech is not long, not dramatic, and not a 3-season television series, it is what?
ટૂંકું,
Your final challenge. Now you put everything together. Say these lines like you mean them. The answer is short. Use.
ટૂંકું,
Please make it shorter. Use.
ટૂંકું,
Take the shortest route. Use.
સૌથી ટૂંકો,
This is a fast car. Use.
ઝડપી,
Go faster. Use.
વધુ ઝડપી,
She is the fastest. Use.
સૌથી ઝડપી,
Please walk slow. Use.
ધીમે,
Please drive slower. Use.
ધીમું.
Thanks, speed champion. You did it. You learned a whole set of useful comparison words in Gujarati without falling asleep in a long grammar swamp. Thank you for listening and practicing with me. Keep repeating.
ટૂંકું, સૌથી ટૂંકો, ઝડપી, વધુ ઝડપી, સૌથી ઝડપી, ધીમે,
And.
ધીમું.
Out loud. Practice a little every day, keep it fun, and soon your Gujarati will be less.
ધીમે,
And more.
ઝડપી.
See you in the next lesson.